Yes, sir. Spider country is a big country. And if I'd known that all this was in here, I would have not picked it up. So that's how the wires feed through. What an absolute spider nightmare this is. There's just spiders everywhere, dead ones. Oh, look at the size of that one. How am I going to get all the stuff out of there? Don't like it. Don't like it. Right, welcome to part 2. And I'm painting, and I've this stuff. Now I've used other stuff in the past, and this one here is Montana Gold, and it's supposed to be professional spray paint. Now it's made apparently in Germany and all this, and it's quite nice. And what's really nice about it is that you actually get a couple of sizes of nozzles. So this is like your standard affair, and then this is like a more narrower beam. But it comes out so slowly. Like, it comes out really slow, whereas other brands of spray cans, or the really budget kind, they come out at full speed all the time, and then when you get down to like the last little bit, it comes coughs and splurts, and it comes unusable. With these cans, when it runs out, it just runs out, and that's it. No coughs, splutters, nothing. That's it, run out. And it's so nice to be able to paint with a couple of different sized nozzles that are, you know, you get a couple of options. So I use this one for usually priming with, and then for actually doing the painting, a more narrower beam, and or aim or spray or whatever. Yeah, it's just really nice paint. If you need some, go give it a try, have a look it up. But that's what I recommend. Anyway, on with the video. Right. So that's all rubbed-ish down. We'll get this brake line out. So I guess I've got to tape it all up. I've got some tape here somewhere. Do that and start spraying. Whew. So I've taped up some of the cables. I don't want to take it all apart because I've got a feeling that it won't go back together so well. So, put some newspaper down, I guess, start spraying. Coats in, it's actually looking pretty good. This is just primer so far. It came out pretty well actually. Pretty well indeed. Not too bad. Not too bad. So yesterday I primed everything. This is looking really nice actually. But it's very dark, but the red that I'm about to spray on it should be lighter. I haven't got any actually to hand, so that's outside, but yeah. Yeah, it's looking quite nice. So here's the petrol tank. Gonna give this a clean up and respray this. Come back here. Now, let's lube some cables. Some of the cables are a little bit sticky. I've unseized the rear brake. Now it's just this cable that needs to be sorted, so I just need to lube this cable. So the best way to do that is Mr. GT85. These are all lacquered now. I don't know what the next job is. Next job is I guess clean up the seat. I'm gonna kick myself. You see this lovely petrol tank? Nice from a distance, isn't it? When you get in close, I've made a mistake with the put it down for a split second, didn't I? And it picked up some dust, some paint dust. I'm gonna leave it for now. I might tape over everything when this is all dried and just re-go over that, retouch it up. Or stickers. And I'll put some stickers over the top. Yeah, I think that's a better idea. Dull. Other than that though, whatever. I'm glad I didn't make any mistakes on the frame. Look how nice that came out. Such a nice red. Blood red. To go in theme with the zombie apocalypse, you know. It will match. Well, actually no, when blood dries it goes a different... Anyway, this is blood red, so... Anyway, here's the sertao. I'm just going to clear up a bit of the rust and the... No dead spiders in there, is there? No. Just a bit of debris. Bit of spider debris. Not sure how comfortable this is going to be. This is an original, isn't it? Yeah, original Honda. Yeah, probably full of asbestos inside the seat or something. Wherever they made this out of. Or was it the brakes are made of asbestos? Actually, yeah, I think I need to make this. Need to look that up. I'm sure these brake pads are like made of brake shoes made of asbestos. I've lubed the cables as well, so now they actually move. So I'll have working brakes. I really didn't think that they would move ever again, but Mr. GT85 and leaving it to soak for an hour brought them back to life. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be a shame when, or if I can get this all running. I'm definitely going to cycle around on it though. I won't have an exhaust for a while, so but I could probably cycle around on it for a bit. I have to find a chain. There is a chain in this box. Don't know what state it's in though. I'll leave it to soak and paraffin. I think it's a split pin. I think it's the same as a C90 chain, so maybe I'll be able to use another split pin. Split pin, master link, whatever you call it. So yeah. I guess that's it for now. More to come.